around me. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's really. Okay, say hello, Bangladesh. Hello, Bangladesh. Yes, amazing, Bangladesh. Look at this, the local, the boat challenging, the boat competitions here. That's Islampur, na? Okay, it's between the place, the Jamalpur district. The Upazila name is Islampur. It's not far away from the Melando Upazila, and that's where you can visit. I'm capturing. If you have ever wanted to visit this place for every year at this time, I'm in this flood season. You can enjoy this game, and I never had experience before, and this is for the first time. If you have ever wanted to visit like this, and if you have any comments, then put me in below. The huge people, amazing. And I didn't watch. What's your name? Lalchan. Okay, he is the Lalchan. And আপনি কি আগে কখনো দেখছেন এগুলা?
আগে দেখছিলাম।
And he enjoyed a lot from his childhood, but I never watched this video, and that's why I'm traveling from this route from Bokshigons to Jamalpur, and that's why I am a traveling video. I'm a blogger, I'm a YouTuber, and that's why I make this for a pastime. If you want to have watched before, then let comment box below. Yeah, the cloud, the weather, the water, the people's amazing, and they're really highly interested to know about me when I'm speaking about the language English. Here I'm coming in CNG, look at CNG over there. When I back to Jamalpur, then I saw, and it's amazing, and I don't necessarily condone for making the video, but my elder brother watching this, and this is for the first time about the boat competitions. I never watched before, and it's amazing. The people over there, if I want to back my camera, it's really cool. I don't know, it's a pandemic situation. The people behind on me, it's amazing. Look at this, it's very crowded, it's less peaceful, and definitely I feel really crowded. The people surrounding here, the boats, it's amazing. It's less peaceful, it's less chaotic. Yes, look at this. And yeah, definitely, there's a small boat. Yeah, if I want to see you. Yes, look at this, the people's. Yes, they're sporting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there's some 4, 5, and look. Yeah, if I want to see you. This is a very noisy place. See you. Yes, look at this, the dark people. If I want to see you, the people here. Yeah, look this. The people are really interesting. What's your name? What's your name? As a little boy, what's your name? তোমার নাম কি? Hasif. His name is Hasif. He came here for watching this boat competition. It's really amazing. Yeah, look at this, the people behind on me. They're really highly interested to see my video capturing over there. Some of the boys are here. If I want to see the back here, the camera, the people, amazing boat competitions. And yeah, look, back camera, the people. Yes, they're so smiley. They're so smiley. If I want to see you. Chacha, apnar naam ki?
Mohammad Josimuddin.
His name is Joseph. Okay, I'm sorry for that. And if I want to see you, আপনারা কতদিন ধরে দেখেন?
বহুত দিন, 30 বছর।
প্রত্যেক বছরই হয়?
হ্যাঁ।
Every year they are challenging, enjoying this boat game. If I want to see you, I'm so proud because the people surrounding me, I never access enrolling here, and my pace is out of the. Okay, I have to go right now because my elder brother bring me to go there because it's so timeless here. And if I want another traveling video, my culture video, then make sure. And the car, garita car, আপনার, what's your name? Just say your name. আপনার নাম?
আমার নাম বাবুল।
His name is Babul, and we are watching this car and making this video. If you like this one, thank you, subscribe my channel, and if you have ever questions, then please put me your questions. And I want to see you the back camera here. Want to see the back? Okay, see please. Amazing. Goodbye. Yeah, goodbye. Yeah, they're really amazing. Okay, good luck. Bye.